Urhobos, Today, I want to talk about conversation between two people. Below is some brief conversation between two people. The conversation are about two friends meeting by chance, two people asking what they do for a living, and the last one about two friends meeting at the movies. 1. A brief conversation between two old friends meeting by chance at a cafe. Ejiro Mavọ Nyerhovwo, odjeri amrẹn. Hello Nyerhovwo, how are you? It's been a long time since we last met. Nyerhovwo, iruo kpokpọ iruo Ọnana obaro mamọ. Oh, hi, Ejiro. I have got a new job now and it's going great. How about you? Ejiro, Ọghwa, not too bad. Nyerhovwo, riemu ovun chere. How often do you eat at this cafe? Ejiro, Ọnana obaro ẹsosuọ igbeya vwọke mamọ. Sorọ tanẹ davwọ. Kidie. This is my first time. My friends kept telling me the food was great. So tonight I decided to try it. What have you been doing? Or what have you been up to? Nyerhovwo, iruo mamọ iruo kpokpọ oke mamọ. Sorọ vwọke epha vwọvwẹ vwerha. I have been so busy with my new job that I have not had the time to do much else. But otherwise, me and my family are all fine. Ejiro I. Well, I hope you and your family have a lovely meal. Nyerhovwo, odjeri. Yes, you too. Now, number 2, conversation about two people asking each other what they do for a living. Essay. Mavọ mamọ. Hello, my name is Essay. It's nice to meet you. Iruo Hi, I'm Iruo. It's my pleasure to meet you. Essay. Biko I am sorry. What was your name again? Iruo. My name is Iruo. Essay. Kidie. So what do you do for a living? Iruo. Rotete ebe royibo. I work at the local school teaching English. What do you do for a living? Essay. Mavọ Nyerhovwo vwọvwẹ riemu I'm also an English teacher, but I'm currently out of work. Iruo Sorry to hear that. It has really been nice talking to you. Essay. Yes, it was a great pleasure meeting you. 3rd, conversation between two friends meeting by chance at the movies. Ebruba. Mavọ ese. Ọdiemuro doro gaga. Remero mavọ mrẹnwẹ. Mavọ yokri tere. Mewọ mrẹnwẹre. Ọvrẹn emerame sarọ. Omame gare kowẹwwo. Hi ese. It's great seeing you again. How long has it been? It must be more than 6 months. I'm doing good. How about you? Ese. Ọghwa bragano. Not too bad. Ebruba. Okare ekpetiruge vọ. Oyo vwerha uweriwe kenugeronye. What movie are you and the family going to see? Ese. Merieti nerere miwo nugere. Akpokọ kowẹwwo. I came here to see Akpokọ movie. How about you? Ebruba. Mike nugere. Eberere nere uyonore. Oyono rookie. I'm going to watch the part 4 of the anti-rookie lessons. Ese. Oyoma. Amrẹn epha. Okay. See you some other time. That is where I end my simple conversations between two people for today. Now, next class, we'll continue from where we stop. Thank you very much. Urhobos, my pride. Love you. Bye.